Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes DNS server not responding in Windows 11. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check Use the following DNS server addresses. Disable and then enable. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.